So today I'm gonna make a trip to the vet with the cat to get her stitches pulled out and then get some last minute Valentine's Day goodies. I gotta go find her carrier. Wasn't that bad. It's funny because now that she's in there, he sits right in front of the crate just taunting her. Check this out. This cat just doesn't give a damn. He's letting her have it for all the times she's been attacking him. I'm walking through the hallway, and this is what I see. Like, what the heck? I have no idea when that happened. Alright, I just arrived at the vet, so I'm just gonna take this fun somebody's dog just ran away. Yeah, I know, that's not funny. So I'm just gonna take this fuzzball in and see how long it takes to pull out her stitches. Right, so stitches are out. She got her ear nice and cleaned up. She's gonna continue the Spidermite treatment for a while. Time to get those Valentine's Day goodies. Roses and balloons. Hopefully she likes it. So last night we got back from the tax office in Tustin. Not the best of news. I was expecting something a little more doable. Then we got stuck in traffic for the longest time, which is fairly common here in Southern California. I mean, you go out there and anytime you're on the freeway, you're in a freaking traffic jam. So I missed my workout too, so I'm probably gonna do that right now. I'm gonna quickly zip to Target because I realized I ran out of my protein powder. So I'll be back. before it turns really ugly and rainy outside. I just wanted to get some things done back in the backyard. I'm trying to grow as many veggies and fruits as possible, to kind of, minimize my expenditures when it comes to buying all that stuff. Because the more I can get away with growing my stuff instead of going out there and buying it, the better off I am. Not just in terms of spending wise, but quality wise, because I always like to put quality stuff on my plate. So right when I got out, I wanted to show you guys what I was doing. My batteries ran out. I know, big shocker. But so I put some broccolis and some lettuces and cabbages right here in this area. And I wanted to do that before it started to pour, as it is supposed to. It's starting to get really windy and ugly. So that's that. Glad that I got that done. And some of the other things that I wanted to share with you real quick. Look at the line. And this tree is literally covered with lemons. A new growth is starting to emerge. I love this tree because it has like 5 different kinds of citruses on it. It's all grafted in a single tree.
Flash flood warning for the following counties in California: Orange, Riverside, and San Bernardino. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for Orange County in southwestern California, San Bernardino County in southern California, Riverside County in southern California until 9 p.m. At 5:06 p.m. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area with the heaviest.
In response to the storm that's surging through California right now, the workshop has developed a solid leak. It's been consistently leaking through the drywall up here and just trickling down right down there. To make matters worse, part of our fence just caved in to the neighbor's side. All of that section over there just caved in forward into the neighbor's yard. So as a band-aid, we just sort of wired it to our trees to hold it from the gusty winds from caving in some more. Slight change of plan for Saturday. It is currently 4:42 in the morning. We are going up north to my work site, which is about 6 hours away in Mariposa County. Right when I started working there, I was using a different car that 2 months into my work crapped out on me. Has been sitting up there ever since, so for over a year now. So we're gonna go up there to go tow it back down. We're meeting a guy, one of my friends, who's gonna help me do it. So it's gonna be a long day today. We're basically just gonna drive up there. I'm gonna give him the keys and then zip back down. Hopefully there's not gonna be any issues along the way, because they shut down an entire section of the I-5 due to flooding. Bye, Pitts. We're at Tejon Pass right now, almost halfway there. So far the weather's been holding up. Just got back from our 700 mile plus road trip. The tow was pretty successful, so I'm stoked on that. Now I can finally stop thinking about it and start thinking about fixing it. We're probably gonna have to drive some more because we have to finalize some things regarding our taxes. So yeah, this past week a majority of it was spent on the road, which is what happens sometimes.